On guys, it's Storm First Class V here again, back with another gcss-army helpful tip video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So tonight we're going to learn about the Zissue. Zissue is probably the greatest thing that was ever invented in Jeremy, from the ERPS level all the way to the maintenance manager. This T code gives you the ability to decide where your parts are. You're able to consume your parts, issue your parts, your outstanding work orders. But for an example, if you have a part that 5 vehicles need and you get one in, you're able to decide which work order that part can go to, which is pretty cool because you're able to maintain your prints. So without further ado, let's jump into Zissue here. So T code, like I said, is Zissue. All right, so you always want to make sure you know your S-lope that you're going to be working in. Now, when it comes to posting date, what I do is I clear the first date, so it's going to pull everything on my mat sit that needs to be consumed or needs a home. So this is extremely helpful to do before you do any inventorying process or anything like that, because it'll clear your mat sit. All right. Now, if you do want to know on the maintenance manager side what your clerks actually issued for that day, if you go down here to material doc report, it'll pull all the goods issued for today's date. All right, just keep that in mind. So we are going to execute. If it takes a while like this, it probably means there's a lot of material that needs to be moved. All right, so on the screen here, you got your update storage bin and open reservations. All right, so if you don't need the material anymore for a work order, you can actually assign it a storage location for stock right from the screen. All right, and if you notice, some already have a bin, which means that a bin location has been created already. All right, so basically what you're going to do is you're going to go in here, swivel quick release, right? Go to open reservations. So this is pretty cool because you can issue it right to the work order from the screen, right? So if you look, the age of this work order is 780 days. That's crazy. All right, so we're going to consume this to the work order. Once you get the little status with the check, you're good to go. You can back out. All right, and then if we were to back out again, you would see that it would not be here anymore. So like I said, just keep that in mind. Grease, right? Open reserve to see what they got here. Wow, look at this. So we're going to consume this. By the way, though, I've already verified that we have this products on hand. Just keep that in mind. You don't want to consume something that you don't have. All right. Okay. Let's back out. Now, from the screen, like I said, you can put something on shop stock. So, for example, let's do, let's see, battery storage. All right. Go to update storage bin. Let's call it AABAA, capital ABBAA. Mark it as bench stock. Update. So now, and move that material out of your material sit and put it in the shop stock. So like I said, you are completely shrinking your mat sit by doing this. So like I said, just keep in mind, make sure the material you have is on hand and the proper quantity. All right. I'm trying to find one with a dual work order here. Maybe a mirror. No, but we can issue that though. All right, that's issued. So I hope this video was helpful. Like I said, Zissue is a great tool and resource for the ERP all the way to the maintenance manager. Shrink your mat sit. This is, like I said, this comes extremely handy before you do any inventory process or start the process. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button, and go Ordnance.